Okay, now we're on to soap number 3 for today. These will all go up different times, these videos, but I'm having a session, so we'll be doing them all together. So this is going to be rose cardamom again. I've made this before on camera, but it will look a bit different because I'm using a different mould, which I need to sort out. Hold on. Okay, the mould is now ready. So, gloves on. So this is a layered soap. I'm going to do pink and white with a green top, and then my rosebuds, which I have here, I don't want to forget those, on the top. I'm going to do like a, what's this, jungle green mica on the top for the top layer, and put the roses in there. So, let me get my lye in. I'm soaping probably just below room temperature, just below. As cool as I can, because this one accelerates a bit as well. So, okay, now use this for one of my layer colours. And I want a bit for my top, so the top is going to be green. I'll get one of my old jugs there, that'll do, just for the topping to go on. Okay, so I want white in one and pink in the other. Now I've got pink clay here from New Directions, which I've had for ages. I'm going to pop that into this one, just a bit, because I don't want it to be really dark. See, this just gone shady again. This weather's very odd today. It's really warm, but the sun keeps coming in, going in, and coming back out again. Now, that one, green, 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 green. So just a bit of jungle green for the top, just a little bit, because it's just a small amount of soap. Right, so we're going to need the mould. Let me just get these things out of the way. Bring the mould. Do a pink bottom, I think. A little bit there. A little bit there. A little bit there. I think what I might do is like, let's pour the pink in there and do like an in the pot swirl, and then we'll use the green top. Do something different for a change. Still be using the same colours as I use, but I'm just going to do it this way, just to be a bit easier than waiting for layers to thicken up and then they're going to get too thick in the pot, which I don't want. I don't want to waste these oils. That cardamom's so expensive, and I've just used the last of it, so I need to buy some more for next time. But this soap is so popular. It's expensive, but it's popular because it's very nice. Luxury. So let's pour this into the pink that I've got down below, and then we'll see what we get after. So we'll do a cocoa line and then the green, I think. Should be quite a pretty soap. Okay, there won't be any need to put a chopstick through there because there just won't. Because the pattern will have made itself. You see, you see. Whew, it's been hot. So I'm going to just do my cocoa. Like that. Tidy up as much as I can. I've got tape all the way down the side, so I don't want that to come off. I don't know about you, but when there's a mess around my mould, I can't bear it. It's like it puts me off my soaping. I just need to stick that out because it's all a bit lumpy here. Okay, but going to need my scoop. Enough to cover the top, so I'll have to pull that over a bit, I think. Or maybe I have. Just. Just spread that over a little bit if I can. I don't want gaps. I think he's going to let me do it very well, but come on. Come on, soapy soap, don't mess with me. Not today. That's my fault, I haven't poured enough green off, but it'll be alright. It'll be alright. It's gonna be alright. Oh, I've just sung out, I don't like that song. Okay, I'm gonna have to get these gloves off again because they just make me too damn hot. Ugh. Right. Oh. Get it together. I'm just going to do a little texture, I think, because there's not. Oh, hang on. Let me see if I can do my usual without it playing up on me too much. Yeah, it'll be alright. We'll be alright. Oh God, honest to God. I'm getting a bit stressed because I've got 2 batches left and my oils are cooling too quickly over there. So I know I've got to rush and get these done. Otherwise we're going to encounter problems. I'll have to heat them up probably again in the microwave just to get them to temperature because they're going to be too cool and we'll have problems. Okay, now roses. Roses. I've got a load of them here. So I want the pale pink. What do I normally cut up? I'll just get my ruler. My ruler! Better have it on that side really, hadn't I? Start at this end. So they're about a 1 1/4 inch cut, so I don't want them too near the edge because I have to trim the edge up a bit. Okay, a bit messy, but there we have rose cardamom soap. Put those back in there. I'll be back for the cut on that one shortly. Okay, so there's rose cardamom. Très bon. I will see you shortly.